Today we will learn how to generate and use SSH keys on Linux and macOS. Open Terminal. Here we have a pretty useful tool built right in called ssh-keygen. By default, ssh-keygen creates an RSA 2048-bit key, but you can change that with the -t and -b arguments if you wish. When you run it, you will be asked to name the key pair. Press enter for the default name given or type a more descriptive one now. I like to use hostname-username_algorithm. Enter a strong password twice. Your key is now ready and saved in your current working directory if you gave it a name, or in your .ssh folder if you used the default one. If you take a look at your files, you will see two new ones. One with no extension, which is your private key, and one with .pub, which is your public key. Use the more command on the .pub to see its contents. Copy it and you can use it however you like. Given you can already SSH into your target machine, you can use the tool sshcopyid to copy your new key onto it. Enter sshcopyid-i followed by the path to your private key, then the username and hostname you wish to SSH into. This command will ask you for your password and then it will add your key. SSHing into that machine should now use your new key. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now get out there and carpe that diem.